welding trials using one grey and 2 layers of your clear material. Okay, press your button to start. Okay. Taking a bit while to get up it. I need to adjust it a little bit, but nothing dramatic. That looks like it's welding really nice. We'll just check. Spin it out. Oh, this wet's still too hot at the moment, so just makes. Oh my goodness, that's good.
Perfect. Stretch your back.
That looks reasonably okay. Looks like it's got it, but look, or maybe not. A fraction more. So if you can put that back underneath, line it up that side, please. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just line it up just inside of that one there, maybe about say 5 mil. Okay.
Yep.
It should be okay there. So what I'll do now, because it's a bigger weld, I'll try a little bit bigger on welding time, so 6 seconds. And what I'll do as well, I'll increase to 2.2, and also I'll go up to 6. This is your full power. And to that I'll go to 50. And what we'll do is we'll have a look at the power setting as well. You can see what happens now. Okay, press it down. I got it. Let's start. There's a bit more power in this welding this one, as you'll see, but it should actually kill this one. You can see it's cooking on gas, that one. Pull it back out. Wow, don't take off just yet. You can see that's actually welded. Overcooked it, but certainly completely welded through. Very good, excellent.